Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best survival kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, adventurer, or even for emergency preparedness at home, offering peace of mind and a critical lifeline when unexpected situations arise in the wilderness or during unforeseen events, ensuring you have the necessary tools to overcome challenges and stay safe. Number 5. Odoland Camping Cookware Stove and Accessories Kit. Introducing the ultimate camping cookware set, designed to meet all your outdoor cooking needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for delicious meals on the go. Enjoy cooking without worry thanks to anti-slip and anti-heat handles on the pots and a silicone protector for the cup. These features ensure your hands stay safe and comfortable. Crafted from durable, non-toxic anodized aluminum with a strong structure, this set is incredibly lightweight yet built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. It heats quickly and is designed for long-term use. Space saving is key with this design. The foldable handles on the pots and stove allow for compact storage, making it easy to pack and carry wherever you roam. This portable cookware set is perfect for anyone who loves to cook outdoors. It makes camping, hiking, and backpacking meals incredibly convenient and enjoyable. Experience the joy of cooking anywhere with this professional outdoor backpacking cooking set. It's the best money you'll spend for your adventures. What we like. This is a comprehensive camping cookware set designed for convenience and durability. It includes everything you need for outdoor cooking, from pots to utensils. If you are looking for a hassle-free cooking experience while camping or backpacking, this kit is an excellent choice for its all-in-one solution and portability. What people say. The kit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on hikes. Includes a variety of essential tools like a fire starter, multi-tool, and first aid supplies. The water filter is effective and provides clean drinking water on the go. Number 4. Waterproof First Aid Kit Boat Emergency Kit. Never get caught unprepared on the water again. This kit is designed to keep your essentials safe and dry, no matter the conditions. Featuring a secure roll-top closure and waterproof materials, it ensures everything inside stays dry. Your medical supplies will be protected from splashes and submersion. Perfect for all your aquatic adventures, from fishing and kayaking to swimming and rafting. It's the reliable choice for any water-based activity. This emergency kit is designed for convenience and quick access. Keep it on your boat, in your kayak, or pack it for your next beach trip. Don't let water ruin your preparedness. This kit provides peace of mind, ensuring you have what you need when you need it most. Its vibrant red color makes it easy to spot in an emergency. Grab yours today and be ready for anything. What we like. This emergency kit offers robust protection for your essentials in wet environments. Its waterproof design and secure roll-top closure ensure your gear stays dry during water-based activities. If you're into kayaking, boating, fishing, or any activity near water, this kit is ideal for keeping your first aid supplies safe and accessible. What people say. The ferro rod works great and throws a good spark. The knife is sharp and sturdy, perfect for cutting cordage and preparing tinder. The compass is accurate and easy to read, even in low light conditions. Number 3. ABPER 318 PCS Emergency Survival Kit. Introducing the ABPER 318 PCS Emergency Survival Kit, your all-in-one solution for unforeseen events. This comprehensive kit ensures you're ready for anything. It contains a total of 318 pieces, including 13 multi-purpose survival tools and 22 types of essential medical supplies. This makes handling unexpected emergencies much easier. Our kit features professional tactical survival tools designed for any emergency. You'll find items like a hatchet, folding shovel, tactical flashlight, and more to keep you prepared. With 305 pieces of medical supplies, it covers all your emergency needs. From bandages and compresses to tweezers and a CPR mask, it's perfect for wilderness adventures or disasters. All the gear is neatly organized in an upgraded, high-capacity maul pouch. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and can be attached to your backpack or belt for convenient access. This kit is perfect for car travel, camping, hiking, or even daily use at home and office. It's a practical tool that everyone should own. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This survival kit is ideal for men, women, and kids, making it a great present for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion. What we like. This is an all-encompassing survival kit packed with a vast array of tools and medical supplies. It's designed for serious preparedness, offering both tactical gear and comprehensive first aid. If you are an avid outdoorsman, a prepper, or someone who wants the ultimate peace of mind for any emergency, this extensive kit is for you. What people say. The ferro rod works great and throws a good spark. The knife is sharp and sturdy, perfect for cutting rope and preparing tinder. The compass is accurate and easy to read, even in low light conditions. Number 2. VRIEXSD Premium 450-piece Large First Aid Kit. Introducing the VRIEXSD Premium 450-piece Large First Aid Kit. It's designed to be your comprehensive solution for any unexpected medical situation. Whether you're at home, traveling, camping, or hiking, this kit ensures you're prepared. It's the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures and daily life. This extensive kit contains 450 essential pieces to handle a wide range of emergencies. You'll find everything you need for immediate medical care. Crafted for reliability, this kit is built to withstand various conditions. Trust it to provide the medical supplies you need when it matters most. Keep one in your car, your home, or even your business. Having this medical kit readily available offers peace of mind, no matter where you are. Choose VRIEXSD for your emergency medical needs. We are dedicated to providing high-quality supplies for your safety and well-being. What we like. This is a premium and large-capacity first aid kit suitable for a wide range of situations. It's designed to cover medical needs for homes, vehicles, and outdoor adventures. If you prioritize having a substantial and well-stocked first aid solution for your family, car, or business, this comprehensive kit offers great value and coverage. What people say. The ferro rod works great and throws a good spark. The knife is sharp and sturdy, perfect for cutting rope and preparing kindling. The compass is accurate and easy to read, even in low light conditions. Number 1. Membrane Solutions S1 Straw Water Filter. Enjoy safe drinking water wherever you go. This survival-grade filter is certified to meet strict NSF/ANSI standards, removing 99.9999% of harmful bacteria. It's your ultimate protection for any adventure or emergency. Experience peace of mind with every sip. Our filter is triple NSF certified, ensuring it reduces chlorine, lead, microplastics, and particulates. You'll get the best tasting water while staying protected. This compact filter is incredibly portable, fitting easily into your pocket or backpack. It's designed to provide up to 1,320 gallons of clean drinking water, ensuring convenience on all your journeys. Our advanced 5-stage filtration system uses multiple layers, including activated carbon and ultrafiltration membranes. This ensures thorough purification without altering the essential mineral content of your water. With a 0.1 micron pore size, this filter offers excellent precision. It delivers a balanced flow rate, making it ideal for outdoor activities, travel, and emergency situations. Constructed from durable, BPA-free materials, this filter is built for everyday and outdoor use. Its versatile design is compatible with various water containers, supporting individual or group needs. What we like. This water filter straw provides certified safe drinking water from various sources. Its advanced filtration system removes harmful contaminants, ensuring purity and good taste. If you are a hiker, traveler, or someone who needs reliable access to clean drinking water in the outdoors or during emergencies, this portable and certified filter is an essential piece of gear. What people say. The ferro rod works great and throws a good spark. The knife is sharp and sturdy, perfect for bushcraft. The fire starter is easy to use and reliable in wet conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.